is on hand to help out.
Sandy, Graham and Elliot, you said you were confused and that you wanted to recycle more, so we've set up a little experiment with Karen here, and she's going to advise you. So the experiment, rather excitingly, involves a conveyor belt. And I am going to load individual items of rubbish onto the conveyor belt, and you've got to sort them out into the right bins. We've got one bin for plastic, one bin for paper and cardboard, one bin for landfill, and one for glass and metal. It's not the generation game, it's like the regeneration game. It's the recycling game, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Regeneration.
She likes that one. OK. Elliot, are you ready to play?
Yeah.
Start the machine. Oh, yes! Right, are you ready?
Yeah.
OK. First up, a lovely kettle.
Metal. It's got
Some newspapers. Iron. Oh, this is interesting. Pizza box used. The Cheerios. I mean, this confuses me because I think it's plastic, but it might be aluminium. Potential confusion issue, isn't it? Glass with label, can without label. Yeah? OK. It's a cuddly toy. Hey, where does that one go? That's what I want to know. Are you not sending Teddy to landfill, are you?
You're going to recycle the teddy bear.
Well, how are you doing, Graham?
Yeah, I think most of this is plastic. There we go.
Elliot, would you like to press stop?
So let's see how they did.
Karen, you are the judge and jury. These three are the accused. They're in the dock. What's the verdict?
Well, I think that they did very well. They've sorted the material, but there are a few things that we need to be quite careful about. Paper and cardboard.
I told you which one.
These cartons.
It may look like cardboard, but it's actually a mix of cardboard, plastic and foil.
OK. Next.
Pizza box. I rang your local authority the other day to say, can you put the pizza boxes in there? And, yeah, again, if it's got a little bit of grease staining on there, that is fine.
So, well done, the Heap family. You chose the right bin, but if you're taking note at home, proceed with caution, because some councils don't take greasy pizza boxes.
These can be recycled. Some places you can put them in your curbside bin at home. Others you have to take to your recycling centre.
Have they put it in the right bin here?
They have put it in the right bin here. Yeah. Metals and... but the most important thing is, for recycling, these need to be empty. Otherwise, they become a hazardous material.
Is it?
I think that's empty.
Didn't they do well? Now, on to the trickiest round for this family. Plastics, something their council doesn't yet collect.
The problem with plastics is you've got a heck of a lot of different polymers. You know, that's a different type of plastic to that, which is a different type of plastic to that. But interestingly, that is the same kind of plastic as that.
Plastics are confusing, so the message is always ask your local authority. And for anyone who's concerned about Teddy, he avoided landfill and was adopted by Elliot. Anyway, overall, how does Karen think the Heaps did?
I think they've done really well, and that's because they've got nicely labelled containers, you know, bins, and that is the key thing.
So the fact is you've done well because we've made it easy for you.
That's because you've made it easy.
Easy.
Yeah.